All right, this week we're gonna try to bang out this exhaust, this full stainless steel exhaust. Wow, that's good enough for Artemis too. He's taking apart the engine. And I'm gonna finish up the exhaust on this K30 Duramax swap.
It's taking apart a giant motor. We also got the mirror brackets on and the mirrors. Now it's a big rig. I'll probably Cerakote the brackets and maybe just paint that or buy black ones, but that's fine for now. The first section of exhaust, I gotta cut that to fit. All right, so that's what I got so far. Coming down from the manifold. I'm away from the transmission lines. I'm away from the shackle. I can start working some pies and then go up and over the transfer case. Shouldn't be too bad. This was a full exhaust for a 2004 long bed crew cab. Got it from Summit. I figured buy this and chop up what I need. All right, I think I'm gonna run that. I might put a dent in the pipe, get a little more clearance from the 205, and then I'll wrap it with some heat shield, and then I'm gonna extend it a little bit. I'll probably put a hanger over here somewhere, but I think the straight run is better, less work. I'll wrap all that too. It's just above the frame by like a ½ inch. All right, I'm thinking something like that. Probably gonna shorten that up a little bit. So this bend is more over top of the axle. But yeah, I'm liking this. I like that I can use that bend. All right. Thinking something like that. It would be nice if this had more of a bend in it to come out this side. Maybe go up a little bit. But I think I can live with that.
All right, here's one section, pretty much the middle section. Looks a little better. That's the bend I was looking for. All right, for this first hanger, I'm gonna double up the bushing isolator. And I'm gonna tack it and then bend it around the pipe with some heat. Then I'll come back and weld this out. I think I'm going to make a bracket that welds under here and flat mounts to this bolt hole with a grommet. This way it doesn't go back and forth too much. And then I'll do 2 more in the back and see how that rattles. All right, so what I'm trying to do is put a little dent in the pipe so I can clear the MP205 and not melt that thing. So this was my test piece. I went a little crazy on that just to see the limitations, and I think I'm gonna do a little less than that, just enough, you know, to clear. So I got it set up. I have this jig I made years ago for making dents, and I'm just gonna heat it up a little bit and press it in. All right, I'm starting to prep it all for welding. I'm degreasing it right now with some blue gold. Works well with the stainless. And then I'll hit it with some acetone before I start welding. I like it. All right, I'm making up a stainless steel exhaust tab, a flat style. I will be using this flat style grommet. I already have it designed, and now I'm going to burn it out on the plasma. Should work good. I'm gonna clean it up and tack it on the truck. So this is what I'm gonna go with. I'm gonna get a tack on there, then I'll take the exhaust down and weld it out. But that should work good. Nice. I like it. All right, everything's welded up. That's all I had time for this week. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.